Today we have a science research presentation from our very own scientist, Saya. Scientist Saya.
Most all Japanese ladies use arm covers in the strong sunlight. I wonder whether arm covers can protect their skin from ultraviolet rays. When I searched for the information, I found an interesting article. Unfortunately, I couldn't find any information about arm covers, but I found that flavonoid in grapes can protect our skin from UV. Flavonoid is a substance that is found in some plants such as grapes and tomatoes. Then I made the hypothesis that wine from grapes can protect our skin from UV. So next, I conducted an experiment. I put a little wine on the food. Next, I exposed the food to the sun for about 30 minutes, but nothing happened. I wanted to experiment on everyone here, but I found this experiment is dangerous for our body. So I gave up and did another experiment. Any volunteers for this dangerous experiment? I wrote 2 letters, A, on 2 pieces of paper. Next, I put wine on one of them, and I exposed the paper to the sun for a few days. Again, nothing happened. After this, I searched about the consumption of wine and the rate of skin cancer in many countries. I chose 3 countries: France, Portugal, and Italy. These 3 countries rank high in wine consumption. However, there was no link between skin cancer rate and wine consumption. Next, I compared the heart disease rate and the cancer rate and the stroke rate with the wine consumption in all the 3 countries. There was no link either. Time magazine has an article. Resveratrol, an antioxidant found in grape skin, reduces the impact of bad cholesterol, which in turn reduces the risk of cardiovascular disease, heart disease. Some animal studies show that it can help reduce obesity and diabetes too.
Maybe this one here, maybe this will pick up paper sound.
Finally, I found the connection between the obesity rate and the wine consumption. In the ranking of high obesity rate in the world, Portugal is number 15, Italy is number 25, France is number 23. I also found the connection between wine consumption and diabetes rate. France is number 110, Portugal is number 41, Italy is number 129. This result is a little inconsistent because there should be many other causes for obesity and diabetes. The causes of obesity are, for example, eating too much, decreased metabolism, and constipation. Other possible causes of diabetes are, for example, genetic influence, bad eating habit, obesity, and stress. This is why my conclusion was somewhat vague, but I deducted a conclusion. Drinking wine is good for our body. If you don't want to become obese or get diabetes, you should drink wine. Thank you.